सुरवर्तिनि शैलसुते सुरवरवर्षिणि दुर्धरधर्षिणि दुर्मुखवर्षिणि कर्षरते त्रिभुवनपोषिणि शङ्करतोषिणि कल्मषपोषिणि कोशरते तनुजनिरोषिणि दितिसुतरोषिणि दुर्मदशोषिणि सिन्धुसुते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते मयि जगदम्ब मदम्ब कदम्ब वनप्रियवासिनि आसरते शिखरि शिरोमणि तुङ्ग हिमालय शृङ्गनिजालय मध्यगते मधु मधुरे मधुकैटभगञ्जिनि कैटभभञ्जिनि रासरते जय जय हे महिषासुरमर्दिनि रम्यकपर्दिनि शैलसुते
having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic and to secure to all its citizens justice, social, economic and political liberty of thought, expression, belief, faith and worship.
शिल्पकार, तू ही शिल्पकार। तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार, समानता का सार, समानता का सार। राष्ट्र संविधान का है तू ही शिल्पकार, तूने ही सिखाया है समानता का सार। अपनी कलम से की है देश अर्चना, एक एक शब्द तेरा भीम गर्जना। साहिब मेरे भीमराव, 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 साहिब मेरे संकट में आया तू बन के सहारा, बन के सहारा, बन के सहारा। तेरी मशाल ने दिखाया किनारा, दिखाया किनारा, दिखाया किनारा। संकट में आया तू बन के सहारा, तेरी मशाल ने दिखाया किनारा। तेरी अवस्थाओं से खिला चमन, कोटि कोटि भीमराया तुझको नमन। साहिब मेरे साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव, साहिब मेरे भीमराव।
A constitution that could unite a country with over 2,000 distinct languages, countless cultures, and numerous religions. After years of deliberation, on November 26, 1949, the Constituent Assembly adopted the Indian Constitution. It was a momentous day, a day when India formally embraced its future as a sovereign republic. On 26 January 1950, the Indian Constitution came into force, and India celebrated its first Republic Day. The Constitution, with its provisions for justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity, became the guiding force for a young independent nation. The Constitution laid down the three pillars of India's democracy: the legislature, the executive, and the judiciary, ensuring that no single branch would hold all the power. This balance of power was key to maintaining democracy and preventing any form of dictatorship. And that's the genius of the Indian Constitution. It doesn't just govern, it empowers. It gives every citizen, no matter their background, a voice in shaping the future of India. The preamble to the Indian Constitution begins with the words, "We, the people of India." This is not just a statement, it's a promise of equality, justice, and freedom. It's a pledge that every citizen will have the right to life, liberty, and the pursuit of happiness. Today, the Indian Constitution stands as a testament to the strength of democracy. It has endured for over 70 years, guiding India through challenges, triumphs, and transformations. The story of the Indian Constitution is not just about laws. It's about the spirit of India itself, a spirit of unity, resilience, and progress. It's a living document, continuously evolving, just like the nation it governs. And the journey is far from over. Because as long as the Constitution stands, India's story will continue, one of unity in diversity and democracy for all.